Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to add product recommendations on product page. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So for this you can use some integrations, so I'm going to be telling you about that. You can see in here, search in here for product recommendation. And once you do, you are gonna be jumping onto Shopify App Store. There you can see we will have different type of product recommendation integration. So I'm gonna be suggesting you something with a good review. So let's just say this one, and it is gonna be helping you to personalize your product recommendations. So you can see we have recommendations showing up in here onto our products page. So that's how you can incorporate that. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Make sure to give it a try and you will be able to add product recommendations on Shopify. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.